my violin people. Today we're going to be working on the exercises for B flat major. In your book, this is starting with exercise 140. Okay? So when we're doing 140, I want to start and think about, well, first of all, where's our first finger? Where our third finger normally goes. So we're going to play some open strings to check that. Secondly, we want to watch out for the half step relationship as marked with the little hat bracket. Okay, those are half steps away, and they're going to determine our pattern. First of all, let's get tuned. Here's your A. So feel free to rewind that as many times as you need to get yourself tuned. All right, so first we're starting with pattern 2. We're going to have first and second finger close together right on that D. So we're going to play that A. Find the same A on your E string, just an octave higher. And then we're going to have second finger close by. All right, here it is. 1, 2, ready, go. And it's literally just right next door on the A string, same pattern, same place. Ready, go. Now as we go to the D string, we're going to switch up patterns. This is pattern 1 with second and third finger close together. Find my G. Ready, go. Same exact pattern as we go on to the G string as their last. Ready, go. Alright, so as we're approaching the B flat major scale, I wanted to point out that our finger pattern on the G string and the D string is pattern 4 with our whole steps. And when we're on the D string, or the A string and the E string, we're in a pattern 3 with fourth finger tucked in close to where everything else is. Our first finger is still back kind of in half position on every string, so that's nice. It's the same position each time. However, just remember to tuck that fourth finger in when we get to the higher 2 strings. Okay, so play along with me. Here is 141 B flat major scale. Alright, as we look at the B flat major arpeggio, the first octave or so, we're going to play just with our second and fourth finger. And then we switch to that first finger, third finger relationship. And then top it off with fourth finger. Remember, this is pattern 3 with fourth finger tucked in. Then 2, 1. Sorry, I should have said 2, 4. Okay, play along with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ready, set, go. There you have it. Alright, so now as we're working on thirds and B flat major, we just have to remember that on our lower 2 strings we're in pattern 4, and in first or half position with our first finger back there. And then on the upper two strings, we're in pattern 3 with third and fourth finger close together. Again, still in half position. Try to play fourth fingers as much as possible. Practice, practice, practice so that you get those in. All right, play along with me. 1 and 2 and ready, set, ready, go. And there you have it. Have fun practicing those. Listen very closely to your intonation as you go along, and good luck. Bye-bye.